because it wasn't even connected. Like, look, not even connected with anything, not even a screw. Bathroom fan here. I want to show you why it's so important to air seal these things. Watch this. So you see all that dark spot there, all the dark insulation? It's because it's air that's being filtered, all the dust inside the house being filtered through, because the air is allowed to pass right on that connection right there and this one. So when you install that, you got to tape it, and then that's when there's electrical wires that are going through too, same thing. That's got to be sealed. Oh, there you go. Improperly sealed bathroom exhaust right to the wall. You see all this muck? Look at this. That's because that's not sealed. All that mold that can easily be prevented. Seal it. Lots of vapor coming through the bathroom fans, especially the ones with the tubs in the showers. A bathroom fan, but it's connected to the roof, and of course there's exposed piping. So that's not a good thing, even though there's a connection there, which is great. So the extra thing that I would have done, put some tape on that, and I can't see where there's a screw. Hopefully there is one. It looks like there's one right there. Having that exposed like that, where there's a piece of metal that's separating the hot from the minus 20 Celsius, and inside of the house is going to be plus 20. It's really difficult to get this wrap proper, right? Because it can still fall, and you try to tape it as best as you can, but then you're playing around with the insulation and you're disturbing the insulation, you're ripping it, and so you're not sure if this is going to be inside of this tube here where there's the insulation, the white insulation here, if there's going to be some weak spots, because you're playing with it. Things I want to do is tape this connection here as well as this. This is the weak point of the bathroom fan right here, and then I'll just make sure that I dense compact all these like on top of this bathroom fan. There's not much left. Is that it? Hopefully I'll be able to. There's not much on there. I don't know why they didn't connect that properly. Like, not perfect, but much better than it was. So. There you have it. Hi there, so a little message for my viewers that have been with me for a very long time. So sadly, this is going to be my last video that I'm going to be uploading. I'll still be answering some comments from other viewers, but I will be focusing my efforts now, since I've had 1 year of experience with YouTube, to help my wife with her online boutique. And so it'll be a lot of fun. You can check that out.
I will be putting that website on the comments below.